Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear windshield wiper. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blade for your specific vehicle model. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to perform this common maintenance task. You'll learn how to safely remove the old blade and securely install the new one, ensuring clear visibility. To begin, carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade attaches to the arm. You'll find a small locking tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. Be gentle to avoid scratching the glass or damaging the arm. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it until you hear a distinct click, which confirms it's securely locked. Once the new blade is attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield, ensuring it rests properly. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wiper blade. Activate your rear windshield washer fluid and observe the blade's performance. Ensure it clears the glass effectively and makes full, even contact without streaking. This confirms proper installation and optimal visibility. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Keeping your car fresh and your visibility clear are both important for a great driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.